lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own anti-dandruff rinse out conditioner. Yes, what I'm coming to show you, you use it after you have washed your hair with the shampoo. There's no need for you to use any conditioner for your hair. Yes, now before we get into the video, if today is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, and also share to your friends. Now without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So I have my empty bowl here. What I have here is my clove water. I soaked my clove in water for 3 days. That made me get this color. Yes, so after 3 days, then you strain the water from the spices. So I'm going ahead to transfer it into my container. What I'm going to need here is honey. Yes, that's pure honey, very thick. You know, honey is very good for the hair, helps to condition your hair so much that it helps in growing your hair out. This stage, you make sure my honey is very thick. You make sure you stir it very well. So the next stage is I'm going to use my fenugreek rice water and my aloe vera juice. I'll leave the link in the description down below on how to make those three, and also I'm going to add some of it into it. Now, as you can see, this is what I have left. You can add any essential oil of your choice that you have to make it smell very good, or your homemade oils that you made. I'll leave the link in the description down below on how to make your own homemade avocado, neem oil, and aloe vera oil at home, that afterwards you can apply or you add it to it for your hair. Now we have come to the end of the video, so if you are interested in my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, please press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, thanks for watching.